That's an Agrimaxx wet itself. That's good stuff.
We have 6 ones that they programmed for the brains of the operation. Hey guys, welcome back. So we finally have the Agrimaxx system all the way installed and being put, the electrons or whatever it is, being put in the water. But we met these guys at the Ag Show in Tulare, California. I'm gonna put a link down in the description to that video. After meeting with them and talking with them and then getting back home, we were looking at our budget and we realized that with how crazy fertilizer prices have been, we weren't gonna be able to be putting it down this year. So we're really hoping that this system can kind of fill that gap where we would like some improvement. We just don't have it in the budget to apply the chemical fertilizer. I can hear that the kids are causing havoc that they shouldn't be doing. So I'm gonna run. Leave me a comment letting let us know any questions that you have about the system. I'm also gonna have Matt's information down at the bottom and their little spiel so that you can kind of answer any of your questions that way. You can contact him if you need more stuff that's more technical that I understood it all when they explained it, but I'm not so great regurgitating that information and making that clear. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy.
I'm Matt with Agrimaxx. Agrimaxx technology is a water technology where we introduce electrical frequencies into the water supply. When we do that, it actually restructures the bonds in the water molecules and introduces billions of electrons into the water supply. Now, when that happens, a number of benefits happen. One, it's an electronic surfactant. It's a water softener. It makes it where basically the water moves easily through the system, and it stops minerals from binding to the pipes, pumps, and also the root system. This is chemical free, no filters. You buy the machine once and it works for, we have units that have been out there 20 plus years and still working. But what we see when we introduce these frequencies and the restructuring happens, farmers can use less water, fertilizer, and chemicals, and see an increase in their crop yield when they use our product, and we actually guarantee our results. So here on Wheeler Farms, we're combating some heavy lime, and we're just generally looking to soften the water and get some better crop yield out of their alfalfa and their hay. All right, so what we're doing here is we are testing the base water. This is before we've introduced electrical frequencies. Hello, wind. But yeah, basically this is just a frequency tester. It's an analog version, so it picks up the frequencies we're looking for. At this point, all we want to see is we don't want to see 0.60. So on the little tester, that's good. We're not seeing 0.60, so we're in good shape. We're gonna go ahead and install the box and introduce the frequencies into the water and get started.
Oh, yeah.
That's an Agrimaxx wet itself.
Oh, we forgot to close that, that's why. See, this is what happens when I don't do this every day. I forget the steps. That'll just keep running because it's the creek.
Oh yeah.
I got my muscles with me today.
There you go.
There we go. There we go, that's good. First might have something better to use on the ones that are more difficult. I don't think WD-40 is going to do the trick. Of course, the one that I thought would give us problems is the easiest.
That's the easiest one?
Look at that. That's the one I thought would give us problems.
That's the one right there.
That's the one that had the problem.
Yeah. We had to retap the threads of the threadlet. Just a little bit. It wasn't too bad.
All right, so this is these are the little threadlets that we use to introduce the electrical frequencies, the probe. So this little piece goes down into the water. This is where it actually threads into, and then we'll attach some actual probes from the electrical box up here, and that's how the electricity, the electrical frequencies are introduced to the water supply.
Soundtrack.
Hey, it's nice water sound right.
So to winterize it at the end of the season, do we just leave everything off or unconnect these and then put them away for winter?
Leave it all where it is. You can unplug this actual probe too if you want, but you can even leave the box if you'll have that cover over it.
Yeah.
It's okay to leave it out here.
Put a little pressure downwards on it. Stop for a second. He's not doing anything. He's not putting enough pressure on it.
Yeah, just push a little harder.
What?
You gotta get a little straighter and then just push down. Push harder. There you go, it's catching now. Just nice and easy, keep going. You got it.
Now
just go slow and kind of work it just a little as you go. Take it right out. There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
So what would you add to it just to
I mean, sometimes it's change crop. If you have some kind of bug come in you want to look at. Basically, we want to see the frequency meter moving.
I'm gonna pull down the hill.
So this is what we're wanting to see now that the product has been plugged in. Basically, we're not looking for any specific number here. We just want to see movement. So those are the electrical frequencies that we introduced through the box that are now present in the water. That's good stuff. We're working.
We have 6 ones that they programmed for our settings, and then they've left this other one in case we have a different crop or pest or problem in the future that they want to program it for. Give you a look inside the box. Pretty simple. This is all the brains of the operation.